next one is directed to Avidya. So when she is asking, how did you get started on projects that made you interested in machine learning? And also, how do you land your job? Yes, so that's the question.
So how I got started on projects
Project.
related to machine learning,
Yes.
and how I kind of landed my job. All right, so in terms of the first part, so I kind of had like virtually zero programming experience when I entered college, so I really kind of had to start from scratch. The way I started was I personally took a lot of online courses, and I kind of went to one of these websites called like datacam.com. I just linked it in the chat. They have like a variety of online courses which are specifically tailored to data science, and that kind of helped me build some initial like programming experience and kind of experience on like dealing with different kinds of like data science concepts and things like that. So that kind of helped me like fill my resume a little bit with online courses. And and this is another part of networking on how I got started on projects. I actually knew a person who was working at like a startup, like a student run startup, and they were doing a lot of data science work, and I wanted to get more experience. So he was generous enough to introduce me to the founder of that startup. And then I was able to kind of like volunteer for them and kind of like work on like various kinds of projects for like 1.5 years. And it was a student-run startup, so it was a very closely knit community, and I really got to learn like a lot of my initial skills in that. So doing projects with that startup kind of really helped me get started, get a lot of mentorship from the founder of the startup, and also kind of get a lot of experience in. And after getting one opportunity, I was able to utilize that on my profile and let's say get my first internship at an actual company. So like kind of getting started on those projects and building experience, kind of like by like getting one experience, you're able to like utilize that to get another experience. And in terms of getting started on projects, I really kind of did it by taking some self initiative on like taking online courses and things, and also kind of networking around, going to a variety of events, talking to a variety of people, seeing what kinds of opportunities they're pursuing, and just trying to showcase my like passion or interest in terms of doing something. And that can really kind of help you get that initial foot into the door.